Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very beautiful 90s Seiko with a date complication. As you can see right here, we have a date window where we can set the day of the month and the day of the week, something really cool. Also, the watch features a hacking, meaning that when you pull the crown all the way in order to set the time, the seconds hand stops. After you push it back in, as you can see, it starts again. Here we have a very interesting addition to the watch bracelet. Here we have the original Seiko buckle. As you can see, very clean, beautiful model. Here on the back we can see that we have a screw down back, and then we also have the exact model right here. As you can see, 7N830041. So this is a very beautiful mint condition 90s Seiko watch for ladies. You can adjust this bracelet. It is in immaculate condition. So as you can see, the watch crystal, the bracelet, the back, everything is very clean. So this is a very beautiful piece that you can find for sale on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So guys, if you want to see even more watches featured from the 90s, 80s, 70s, we have over 5,000 watches already listed on our website, so make sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to see even more watches, and I'm going to see you on the next video.